Hello and welcome to IMW Club. Today we will learn 7 steps method to implement zero-based budgeting. Zero-based budgeting is an effective tool that can help individuals achieve financial freedom and create wealth. By allocating every dollar of income towards a specific purpose, zero-based budgeting can help individuals take control of their finances and make informed decisions about spending. Before we proceed, don't forget to like and subscribe IMW Club. Zero-based budgeting is a budgeting method in which every dollar of income is assigned a purpose, resulting in a zero balance at the end of the budget period. Here are the steps to follow for zero-based budgeting. Number 1. Determine your income. The first step is to calculate your income from all sources, including your salary, investments, and side hustles. Number 2. List your expenses. Make a comprehensive list of all your expenses, including fixed costs like rent, mortgage, utilities, insurance, and variable costs like groceries, transportation, and entertainment. Number 3. Categorize your expenses. Divide your expenses into categories such as housing, transportation, food, and entertainment. Number 4. Assign a dollar amount. For each category, assign a dollar amount that you can afford to spend each month based on your income. Number 5. Prioritize your expenses. Start with your most essential expenses such as rent, mortgage, utilities, and groceries. Number 6. Track your spending. Keep track of every dollar you spend throughout the month, and adjust your budget as needed. Number 7. Review and adjust. At the end of the budget period, review your spending and adjust your budget for the next period based on any changes in your income or expenses. By following these steps, you can use zero-based budgeting to effectively manage your finances and work towards your financial goals. By being intentional about every dollar spent, individuals can prioritize their financial goals and make progress towards achieving them. Isn't it simple and effective? We hope you liked the video. If yes, then do share this video with your family and friends. Also share your comments. Take control of your finances and create wealth. Happy investing!